Hello students, hope you all are doing very good. Today we are going to solve this question, and believe me, this question is very easy to solve, students. What you have to do here, see, it looks so complicated, right? But it is very easy. Here, start the bracket. This small bracket you have to solve. See, if you will take LCM, 3 will be the LCM, 3 1 ja 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So I am writing for you like this. Here 4 minus 1 by 4. Here 5 minus 1 by 5. Here 6 minus 1 by 6. Like this it will keep on coming till the last 16 minus 1 by 16. Whole power is 1 by 3. Now you have to see the pattern here, students. The pattern is 3 minus 1 is 2 by 3. Multiply with 3 by 4. Multiply with 4 by 5. Can you observe the pattern? This denominator is coming in next numerator, denominator is coming in next numerator. So that means from here we can say 5 by 6 will come, 6 by 7 will come, like this. Last one is given 15 by 16. So before that what will come? 14 by 15 will come. So we can write dot 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 here, and the whole power is 1 by 3. Okay, now you see one more beautiful thing in this question. 3 3 cancel, 4 4 cancel, 5 5 cancel, 6 6 cancel, 7 7 cancel. Like this everything will get cancelled. 14 14 cancel, 15 15 cancel, right? Only 2 by 16 will remain, students. 2 by 16 will remain with power 1 by 3. This will get cancelled 1 by 8 times. So now we have 1 by 8, that is cube root of 1 by 8. So cube root of 1 by 8 will be what? 1 by 2. Or if you have doubt from this step to this step, you can write like this also. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, and 1 can be written as 1 into 1 into 1, and it is cube root. 1 by 3 means cube root. So answer will be 1 by 2. Hence proved. So 1 by 2 is the answer of this question. If you have any other doubt, students, please let me know in the comment section. This kind of questions are very easy actually. It is tricky. If you can able to understand this trick, you can able to solve the questions. Hope you are enjoying this series, students. If you have any other doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.